All right, it is day 45, and there's the progress so far since yesterday. We have the subfloor down everywhere, and I walked out on it. You do got to be careful about these bolts sticking up, though. I've tripped over those. Apparently, these workers are all used to it because I haven't seen any of the framers or the concrete guys trip over one, but they're easy for me to miss. And yeah, it's solid. I don't know if this has a brand. The brand is True Floor, with True missing a E, a U, no, a True missing an E, and Floor missing a U. So True Floor, 3/4 inch, I believe it's 3/4 inch. So yeah, so that floor, they got all that done, and then this back wall, they started framing up here. So those are some serious windows. I didn't get to take a look at this guy. So there's a cavity there. I don't know if that's gonna get filled or what the plan is or exactly the details about why they would do it like that, but I'm sure there's a reason. And you can see they got some wood on the outside here as well. It's like a little bit, some gaps there and not so much of a gap down there, but anyways, looks like a big truck that will be probably used to pull up large beams to build the roof system. And if we come over here, we can see even more lumber. It's even bigger, and I believe that is the roof package of lumber. And actually, I would say this is pretty smart. You can see that they put some wood underneath at the ends to hold that up, because when it was delivered, that huge long beam there, or the 4 beams or however many there are, they were really sagging and they were significantly lower on each end. And I was actually kind of worried about them getting bowed out of shape, because the lumber pack people put the smaller pieces in the middle there and those were sagging, but the framers saw that and propped them up. So that's pretty smart. And I don't know if they're intentionally propping up these pieces as well, but yep, it is a work in progress. I think we had a few drips of rain yesterday, but other than that, been really good with dry everywhere. So that's been good. And you can see they threw down some sheeting over top of the hole that it goes to the basement, just as a safety thing, make sure nobody falls in there. So that's smart. And you have one wall up, well, part of a wall, and another wall built but laying down. And yeah, the flooring is glued and screwed and nailed. I saw them put nails and screws, and I saw them gluing it. So that should be good. I think that's about it. Unseasonably warm these last couple days, in the 70s at the end of October. So all right, that's it for this video.